All right, folks, got a new steering wheel cover for my doggone Prius here. It was finally time. I had an old one there that I resized to make it fit. I finally found one at a price I could delight with, which is around a little under $15 at Amazon. It's made by SEG, and their small fits the Prius like a glove. It's a 14 by 14 and a quarter, and standard they also have, and large. And standard's 14 and a half to 15, and large is 15 and a half by 16. I'll leave the link below so you can go look around if you got an old car with a big old wheel, or a car that's fairly old and it's got a medium wheel, or just a standard wheel. And then you got the Prius wheel, which is super doggone small. Anyway, this wheel is super nice. It's made out of that new leather suede plastic stuff, whatever it is, newest suede, microfiber, or whatever they call it. And it's super nice. And it went on real easy. They say use a hair dryer and heat it up, but I just threw it in the dryer for 3 minutes under normal condition and set it up there and let it roll around in there for a little bit. Got it hot, ran to the car here, put on the top portion real easy. They just kind of pulled down, and then pop, it just popped right on there. And I'm not taking this sucker back off, I'll tell you that. And it went on real easy, so just heat it up a little and it's good to go. So check it out. Check out the link below. This is SEG steering wheel cover for a Prius and many other cars, and different colors too. So check it out.